Come on, why aren't you playing? Asa, you think it's funny? This is how you used to be as a kid. Anything anybody else did, you wanted.
She still does that. He can go into place now. Mildord doesn't know if he can go into place now.
They're saying a lot of it's all shut
There's
off.
like nothing in there. Mama, where do
You guys want to go look at the water?
where does
Huh? You go down here and look at the water?
There's no
There isn't? Let's go see if we can find some frogs.
Dawson wants to go. I want to. Where?
Inside.
What? I want to. Inside
Right here.
the butterfly
This one's yours.
place?
Yeah, no, inside the building.
What building?
Cassie's gonna go down by the creek.
Oh, I want to
Go.
go by the creek. B. Yeah, B. No, you're by the B. See it? Right there. See it? Can I go?
Yeah, go. You can get your.
There's
Yeah,
a bee
just go ahead.
on your butt.
There's a bee on my butt.
Uh-huh. Now it's gone. What's the sound?
Are you going with Cassie?
Yeah.
Go.
A bee. That's a bee.
Oh, there's a bee. Oh! What is it? Oh! Where'd it go? Oh!
Can I slap it?
No, it'll sting me.
It's on your butt. Okay, it's under the chair. Nope, it's under you.